All right. Okay, my man's missing. Let's play a6 here. I guess I'll play b5, bishop b7. Classic St. George's defense here with e6 and c5. Okay, this is what I had against Fabiano, actually. I'll obviously trade. I don't think I want to. I'm gonna go b4. Play d6. Maybe knight d7. Not really worried because I can just take with the knight and hit the pawn and the bishop here. So I'll go here. Why not? Because e5 I can just take there. I think my position's quite respectable here, but we'll see what he does. Let's play h6. Could go g5 here. I think I am going to play g5, knight h5. Not sure what to make of this position. I think it's okay, though, because I'm going to take the bishop. Just take, he'll take, and I guess I'll go... I could play bishop a7, but I think queen c7 is just a very solid approach. Can also take with the queen, maybe. Actually, I think I'd probably take with the queen. Keep the pin alive here. I could go g4 also here. I think I'm gonna go g4. And then maybe there's some d5 tricks. I can also play h5, h4, like h5. Oh, I should have probably played knight e5 actually, but whatever. I'll take with the knight. Now I'm hitting the pawn on a4 too. Yeah. I'll probably play king e7 and rook g8 and play this like a bond cloud. He goes knight c4, which hangs the pawn at a4, but probably I can't take it. I think I'm just gonna castle. I'm gonna go here. Knight b6 does nothing. I have d5, obviously, big threat. I think I also have h4 here. And now it starts to get a little bit chippy because I'm gonna line up the double stack and mate him on the king side. But mercy. I guess I take and I go like h3. I mean, this looks very scary with h3 and like this massive diagonal. Yeah, maybe I'm missing something. This looks horribly scary. What's up, Primo King C7? This looks very, very scary. I wouldn't want to be playing this. Although maybe... Oh, maybe I should have traded because he has bishop f1. No, but then I... No, I think I actually should have traded, but it doesn't matter because it's still winning, I guess, here. Should be winning here. You would. But this loses because I have knight e4 here. He has to go like rook d2, but that should be winning.